Hey, I'm Matthew Valentines, founder of PersonalDatingAssistance.com. I'm excited to be talking at the iDate 2015 conference at the Tropicana in Las Vegas. So I'm going to be talking a little bit about what it's like to be a dating assistant. What do we do? How do we do it? How do we make money? Who are our customers? Maybe this is the type of product or service that you're thinking about offering your existing customers. I'm going to talk a little bit about what that might entail to build this in-house, what it might be like to partner with somebody who's doing it already, what are some of the challenges that you've faced by offering a dating assistant service, who uses it, who are these guys, what is the value proposition, how do you find people who are interested in it, how do you market to them, and how do you close them. It's a lot to it, and we're going to get into it. To be sharing some super interesting data points and online dating statistics about the personal dating assistance market, which you haven't heard before. This stuff is going to be actionable, so when you hear it, it's going to get you thinking, does it make sense to maybe offer a dating assistant service to my existing customers? We're going to talk about who's interested in this type of service, why are they buying it, what are they looking for? So I'm excited to talk at the iDate conference in January, and I really hope to see you there.